you say you left there at about 4:30?
I think we left, it was just getting dark when we left. I think it was around 4:31.
Gets dark at 4:30 in September?
Well, it may have been 5, I don't know.
Is it fair to say that when you get there, you didn't have to sign in, right?
No, I don't know, I don't think we did.
There wasn't anybody guarding the scene, right?
Correct.
There wasn't even any crime scene tape up, right?
Correct.
You find 2 items on the ground, right?
Yes.
Right on top of the ground, right?
I don't specifically recall how they went around.
Let me see if I can refresh your memory. Let me put up on the screen. Put up on the screen Exhibit 64. You recognize that as what the entrance to the path looked like on September 30 when you arrived there?
Yes.
And there was no crime scene tape up in this vicinity where the path opens up to the parking lot, right?
Correct.
There are several pictures here. Let me just show you the ones that are close-ups. This is Exhibit 67. You see that?
Yes.
And that shows a case, right? Bullet case.
Yes.
And that's a bullet case that you can see with the naked eye from on the ground, right?
Yes.
And here's a picture of Exhibit 68. That also shows that bullet case, right?
Yes.
And then here's Exhibit 69. It shows a different bullet case next to some gravel. You can see protruding out of the grass, right?
Yes.
Also sitting right up on top, right? Of the ground?
Yep.
This isn't buried, right?
Nope.
You didn't have to uncover it in any way, right?
Nope.
Here's Exhibit 70, another picture of that same case. Again, visible to the naked eye from standing up, right?
Yes.
And you find this in the same vicinity. I can use this one. Exhibit K. You find it over here, right?
Yes.
And Exhibit K. Forward towards the bleachers from the second tree in from the parking lot, right?
Yes.
Now, you have no idea how those cases got there, right?
Well, I assume they were.
I'm not asking about your assumptions. You,
No idea.
well, do you
Maybe
don't
should
know.
rephrase the question.
All right, you don't know how those cases got there, right?
You asking to fit an opinion, or, I mean,
I'm not asking for your opinion. I'm asking what you know and what you don't know.
No.
And you don't know how those cases got there, right?
No.
You don't know when those cases got there, do you?
No.
And you had searched this area the day before. The area between those fences, correct?
Yes, we did a line search in that area.
And nothing was found in that area when you did the line search the day before, right?
Correct.
Now, during your trips to the scene, you located a total of 4 cases between the 2 days that you went there, right?
Yes.
And you only located 2 projectiles, right?
Yes.
That's one that you got from the ME's office, right?
Yes.
And one that you got from the tire, right?
Right.
And you also found or located on September 30 damage to a branch of a tree, right?
Yes.
And that tree is depicted in Exhibit 71, right?
Yes.
That tree, if we were to look on Exhibit K, which is the schematic drawing of the scene, is the tree closest to the fence, right?
Which tree?
There are two trees close to the entrance to the walkway here, right?
Yes.
Both of them are inside the fence, right?
Yes.
And the tree that the damage to the branch was on was the tree closest to the fence, right?
Yes.
Did you make a determination as to the directionality of the damage to the branch on that tree?
No.
Did you make a determination as to whether the damage to that tree was caused by a .40 caliber or a 9mm or any other size projectile?
No.
Did you make a determination as to when the damage to that tree occurred?
No.